Hi Aries, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and it's time for your weekend love bite. Aries, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you, okay? Leave the rest. So Aries, this is a little mini general checkup to see what your energies are like this weekend, which is the 23rd of October weekend, 23rd to the 25th. Your longer readings are coming, don't worry. Ooh. This card popped out for you, Aries, Ace of Wands. Moving fast and furious ahead with your own life, it seems. Or is it somebody coming towards you? We'll figure out. Let's put this card here and start our reading. Dear God, Goddesses, Angels, Spirit Guides, please bless this reading for Aries and send them the messages they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. So Aries, as usual, let's start with an angel blessing card and start our reading. My angels, a blessing or an advice for my Aries, please. Thank you. Don't compromise is my angel's advice to you, Aries. Don't compromise. Don't compromise. Okay. What should we not compromise on, Spirit? I'm sure you're going to tell us in the rest of the reading. So let's begin here. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being my support to this channel. I'm very grateful, and thank you for being here. That's all I can say. And yes, if you're new here, we welcome you to our Omkara family. Do subscribe to the channel and join us. We meet here all the time, but this is just a mini read. If you enjoy this, you can join us for the longer ones as well. Dropping all burdens, Aries. 10 of Wands in reverse. So letting go of any heavy burden, not compromising on things that don't serve you, and moving ahead passionately with your life. That's the first impression I get, but let's see. 10 of Pentacles, 3 of Swords in reverse, and the Moon. Ace of Pentacles, Tower in reverse, and the 6 of Wands. So Aries. Okay, so what's the Ten of Pentacles, Spirit, for Aries? What is the Ten of Pentacles for Aries? Somebody is still holding on to that dream of having a happily ever after with you, it seems, Aries. There is a ten of Pentacles with a Death in reverse. So somebody still doesn't want to let you go, having a little fear of change, it seems. But I think you're not allowing it. You're not compromising. You are the Queen of Swords now in the reverse, which means I think they know that you're very angry and upset with them. There is a Three of Swords here, which is in reverse. So either they want to come and heal your broken heart, or I think that's what you're doing for yourself. I think they want to come in and say something or do something that will not let this tower fall completely. They are thinking of ways and means. They're very emotional at the moment. They are very clouded in their head. They don't know what to say, how to say it, though they really do want to come out of this hangman's place with you, Aries. They are just confused as to what to do and how to say it, right? They yes, they know that you have your guard up. They know you have your guard up. You're upset, you're angry, but this person still doesn't want to let you go, Aries. They are in hermit mode. They are reflecting on their bad behavior, it seems, Aries. They're thinking of what to do, but I don't think this person has clarity yet as to how they can, sort out and solve things between you guys. They do want to fresh start with you, Aries. They are dreaming of this happily ever after. They want to communicate. But the problem here is that they are feeling a bit embarrassed right now. They are feeling a bit publicly humiliated. Not publicly humiliated. They are feeling ashamed and embarrassed to face you. They know that they are the reason, or they know that it's their behavior that made this tower fall in the first place, right? So now, because they're feeling in the state of feeling they've done you wrong and they're a little embarrassed to face you. They don't know what to say, how to start this new conversation, how to start things anew with you, how to have the Ten of Cups with you. So what's this Tower spirit? Tower. They don't want to, they know that they've done you wrong, Aries. They came, I think, across to you with some promises. Okay, they probably came across to you with some fancy romance and flirtation, some empty promises, and maybe you mistook it for something more than they offered finally. And they know that they kind of played with your emotions, and that's the reason I think they're a bit embarrassed to face you now. Yeah, they want to not be at crossroads anymore. They want to make a decision. I think this person is in deep regret at losing you as well. I think after all this happened, they suddenly, I think, got feelings for you. They want to come and tell you that they don't want to juggle anymore if they had another person in their life. They're not confused anymore. They don't want to juggle anymore. They have a lot of remorse and regret for what they've done, because now they've realized, I think, that you're special to them and you make them very, very happy. They know things have really slowed down, but they want to now come towards you, Aries, with a stable offer of maybe starting anew, starting from scratch. They miss you. You are their wish fulfillment. This is somebody you've known probably for a long time. They feel that soulmate connection with you as their best friend who they've lost now, and they are feeling very bad about their own behavior. So let's see what they plan to do. Oh, somebody wants to come in with an apology. Aries, I think somebody wants to come to you, towards you with an apology, but I think you already know that. I think you already know it deep in your heart. You already know what you have to do. Your intuition is probably telling you what to do. This person has a lot of passion for you. They're coming in. They want you to now drop the heaviness from this relationship. This card has come in twice, but I don't think right now you're saying anything to them. Yes or no, you're not compromising, you're sitting quiet and listening. Okay, now this could happen this weekend, Aries. This is, or could be in the pipeline. Maybe this has already happened for some of you. The dates are for now, but time is fluid, so I hope it just happens this week so we can have a new storyline then. So what's this High Priestess spirit? Okay, High Priestess. I think you are kind of being a bit not interested. You don't want to return back to a place maybe which didn't invest in you. You, from your mind and heart, you already kind of closed the past chapter. You are happy being single and abundant and concentrating on your coin now. But there is somebody here who wants to work with you, Aries. Three of Pentacles. Yeah, maybe this person was a bit confused in the past. Maybe they had many options. But since I think you left their life, all their wishes, none of them fruitified, and the wheel of fortune kind of got stuck for them. Because I think while you were in their life, things were pretty good for them, but I think they didn't offer you a commitment, and now from what I'm getting here, Aries, I think you are their good luck charm. Till you were there, they were the king of wands and they were having a good time. They took you for granted. But now I think this person is coming back because they've realized since you've gone, nothing is working out in their life. And here you are listening to your intuition to say, hey, I'm not compromising. I'm not just going to be around because I'm good for you. I'm doing pretty well on my own. And yes, anyone who's not going to invest in me, I'm not going to invest or go back to that person. Let's see. Temperance in reverse, the Fool, and the Seven of Swords. Yes, Aries, Spirit is saying yes, that this situation is rather imbalanced right now. This person is charging in, coming towards you only to benefit something from you, it seems, right now. they're not still coming in with the love energy. They're still coming in with a aggressive energy or a fighting energy or I'm still the boss kind of energy. So this is still a bit imbalanced at the moment. I think Aries, your best right now not to compromise and continue on your path that you've chosen, because if you know, even though this person is desperate to return, is desperate to return or have you return. Just give me a second. I'm just trying to wrap my head around this. No, Aries, right now I think you have to make a decision. This person is still in that same kind of mindset of I win, I win, I win, and I'm going to play another game. Just they may love you. I'm not saying that in their twisted way. I think they do love you, but they still haven't got their act right. Not this weekend, at least. So it's best to do what you're doing, Aries. Keep quiet, keep silent. Do not, even if energetically or through songs or dreams, this person is trying to connect to you and say, urging you to get back. Just be in your high priestess mode. Don't compromise. You keep moving ahead in your own life, and till this person doesn't understand how to behave with you, I don't think you should compromise right now. This is again going to be a case of broken promises if you go back at this stage. I think this person still has a lot of lessons to learn, Aries. This person is still very, very ungrounded. This King of Swords in reverse could be an air sign, right? So it's best to put a kind of a blockage right now. Don't move towards this person at all. So that's your advice. You don't need anyone, Aries. Right now you are on your own path, your own destiny. This person still has some more karma to deal with. Okay? So that's all I have for you, Aries. I hope some of this made sense to you. And if not, doesn't matter. We'll meet again next for your next reading. Love and light. Take care. Namaste.